Hello guys, today we're going to be making a chicken salad and the ingredients are going to be
So first we're going to be needing chicken breast, mayo. We're also going to be using pepper for the color, parsley, and then celery. And then for the more taste, we're going to be adding lemon juice. But let's first cut up the celery. Let's do that. Wait for Mikey to finish his and we'll go to the blender. Blend this up and we'll come back here and do everything else.
Okay, cool. You want to bring the blender, Azim?
Yeah.
I'll go bring it.
Okay.
Blender. I can touch.
What are you doing, Azim?
I'm trying to get the blender, but I can't reach it. I can reach it. That
Oh, okay. Let me help you. Barojo, you want to help?
Yeah,
you're here?
Let the tall people do it, okay?
Okay, let's do it. Oh,
Yeah,
that was easy.
Let's get the bell pepper and chop this up. So first, that part out. Of it, and then the lemon.
So saw how easy that was? That only took like what, 5 to 10 seconds? And look how diced up that is. And make sure to chop it and not grind it, alright?
I'm gonna leave this in here because we still have to do that. And then once this is done, we'll add that back, this back, and then
Doesn't even need to be exact.
yeah.
So what are you guys doing now?
We're cutting up the celery. Oh,
Parsley. Actually.
parsley.
Okay,
And
good.
then it doesn't need to be too big, too small. Just cut it
Okay.
up thoroughly. Make sure there's not that much big chunks in it.
Good.
Yes.
Boom.
Boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. Oh, that piece looks good.
We're gonna take 2 spoons and make sure to use a clean spoon so that your mayo doesn't become bad for the next time that you use it. I feel like we're forgetting one thing though.
Salt and pepper.
Oh yeah, go get it.
It's right over here. Good for us. Because I'm not walking way more all the way over there. Now.
Welcome back, Azim. You guys forgot totally, huh?
Yep, I didn't even know. Oh, this is salt.
We're using this mixer, but you guys can also use a blender, fork, like spoon or anything like that, but we're choosing to use this. And make sure to hold this so so none of it like comes out. So we blended the chicken, and then now we're gonna slowly add these and these, which are already blended and chopped up, into this.
So now we can do all of these one by one. First, I'm going to be choosing the lemon juice. Get everything out. No matter what, there's something in it. See?
You're gonna be putting in the parsley. Oh my god, the rest is not coming
Mikey,
out.
Just use this. Just
Oh.
use a spatula.
That's a good idea.
Get these. Okay. Now see? Look how easy it is. You would have been taking a whole.
And our salad is almost finished, alright? And that's pretty much it. That's basically all you have to do. Just make sure to mix it so it's not too chunky. And then we have a secret surprise to add to the salad at the end.
That we got at Costco.
Costco.
So I will go bring that right now. I'm not going to show it.
What are you doing, Azim? What are you doing, Azim?
Nothing.
All right, Barojo, you're almost done.
Yeah.
Awesome. What are you doing now?
Mixing the salad that we put in.
Da-dan, dan, da-dan. Da-dan, dan, da-dan. All right. Cool.
I don't think it's supposed to be opening up like this, but whatever. doesn't taste any different. So
Chips, I guess, right?
chips is chips.
Good.
Put that between.
Okay.
Looks like a flower.
All right, so the guys are finished. I love it. This is good. And what's this one?
The
chicken breast.
Yeah.
Also. So the time to taste,
Yep.
right? Let's taste. You want to take it?
Yeah.
See how it is.
I'm gonna be the recorder.
Good.
Amazing. Not too chunky.
Good.
And I, as my reward, I will just have the chips by itself. Cause this, inside of it, this right here,
This is actually really good.
Yeah.
let me move it. This right here, I do not like. So, I will be eating this. Alright, is it good? Alright, you guys finish up.
Yeah, good guys. You guys should definitely try this. It's a wonderful salad. Especially if you're coming from work and you don't have anything in the house, and when you open the refrigerator, there's nothing in there, and you could like literally takes about 5 minutes to make it. Very delicious. You want to take it off? I mean the whole. I'm gonna take one. Actually, it tastes good with the chips.
Yeah.
I like it.
This man, my dad, likes a lot of stuff that are really weird. Alright, you guys will finish up. I will have this by itself, the chips. And yeah, we'll say the ending.
What are we gonna do?
Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, click that like button, smash the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you will not miss a video that we make. Hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.